Hello. Welcome to our Viva Naturally YouTube channel where we post new videos every Wednesday with everything related to helping you boost performance by managing your energy and improving your overall health. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing, quick, and easy recipe, and it's a smoothie to help you boost energy and manage weight loss. That's right, the best of both worlds. Now, all of the ingredients I'm gonna be showing are high quality and are really good mix. And to me, smoothies are the easiest thing to make, especially in the morning, because you throw everything in a high-speed blender and it's super quick to consume and to clean up. You can even take it on the go, so it doesn't get any better than that. And I always have a smoothie in the morning. Sometimes I have it with something else. I mean, it could vary depending on where I am, if I'm traveling. But my favorite recipe for breakfast are smoothies, and I always change them up. Today's smoothie is specific to managing your weight and your energy. So all of the ingredients here are 100% natural and plant-based. The blender that I will be using is Vitamix. I have a video of a review and unboxing of this specific blender where I talk a little bit more about it. Now, I know Vitamix are very highly valuable because of their reputation, of their quality, of their duration. This blender that I bought about 3 months ago has a 10-year warranty, which to me means a lot. I'll put the video in the description box below so that you can check it out for sure. The first thing you'll need to do is pour 1 cup of filtered water inside of the high-speed blender. Next, you'll need 1 cup of almond milk, or you can put any other plant milk of your choice. There's cashew milk, there is rice milk, there is soy milk. One tip, it would be to have it unsweetened if possible. There's always an unsweetened option of a plant-based milk, and if it's possible that it says non-GMO or organic. Next, it is one of my favorite ingredients, which is bananas. They're high in potassium. They're really good for smoothies because they give it a natural sweet taste. I put in 1 handful of spinach, and the spinach that I buy is organic because all of the leafy greens get heavily sprayed with pesticides, so that's why I buy organic, and I bought mine at Publix. I want to mention that this recipe is for 2 servings or 2 people. So if this is only for you, you can cut the ingredient portion in half, and that would be for 1 person. Since this recipe is for 2 people, that is why I'm adding 2 bananas and a lot of watermelon. And in this case, I don't mind having a whole banana as part of my smoothie. I know there's folks out there who are trying to control their sugar because of diabetes, so that's up to you. You can put half a banana, but I definitely recommend to have at least some banana in there. For this recipe, I put 2 medium bananas, peeled and ripe. It's really important. Also, next is one of my favorite fruits after bananas, and it's watermelon. So no matter where you are, there's usually a season for watermelons. Here in the United States, it's summertime, but they import some of that watermelon from other places around the world who do harvest it. I love watermelon. It's actually good for so many things. Just to give you a high level idea, some of the better benefits of watermelon are good for heart health. Its anti-inflammatory properties are really good for anybody who suffers from inflammation and things of that nature. It's also good for hydration because it's high in water content. It's great for digestion because of the fiber that it has. Also good for skin and hair. And it's awesome for anybody who works out or who has a job that is physically demanding, because watermelon has been proving in studies that it's good for muscle soreness and athletic performance. I use it as a post-workout smoothie when I have my workouts in the morning and I have my watermelon afterwards. I feel everything being replenished, and for sure I can never go wrong with it. If I feel like I don't get sore as much. So definitely if you're somebody who likes to work out or who works out on a regular basis, always have watermelon as part of one of your meals, whether a smoothie or a snack or anything related to that. And actually some of those artificial energy drinks that we shouldn't consume have watermelon in them. So why buy something so processed and not so good for your health when you can go straight to the source, cut the middleman, and eat the watermelon instead? Next, we have some ground flax seeds, and for the ground flax seeds, I put 1 heaping tablespoon. I also have some pumpkin ground seeds, and I also put 1 tablespoon. The reason why I put these 2 types of seeds is because they're awesome. They're really good for healthy fats. I try and have healthy carbs, protein, and fats in all of my meals, and for sure in this smoothie, because we want to make it as nutritious and as filling as possible in a natural way. We have to have a good source of fat, and I use these 2. The next ingredient is one of my favorites, and it's green juice powder by Organifi. I'll put the link in the description box below of the place where you can get this product and where you can find more information about it. It's an amazing product because it's got a lot of superfoods, and they're all in powder form. Everything in here is organic, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, 100% plant-based, and it's like you're getting everything in one scoop. I actually don't put the whole scoop in there. I just put half a scoop for 2 servings. So it can tell you that a little bit goes a long way, but it's got so many superfoods. Definitely check it out for more information at the link below. Next ingredient is one of my favorites too. I think all of these ingredients are my favorites, to be honest. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is so good for a lot of things. I can go on and on talking about it, but it's one of my favorites to put in smoothies because it gives it a nice balance. I love cooking with spices, and cinnamon is not an exception. So I put a dash or 2 in my smoothies, and in this recipe, you'll put the same for 2 servings, of course. Next up is old-fashioned oats or quick oats. I put 1 tablespoon in the smoothie because they are so good to control your cholesterol levels, and they're really good for digestion. And remember, when we're trying to achieve weight loss or managing our weight, it's important to have a healthy digestion so that we eliminate what doesn't need to be in our bodies anymore, and that we can absorb the good things for our performance and for energy as well. Next up in our ingredients is raw organic protein powder, and the one that I get, I've tried so many out there, the one that I get is from Garden of Life. I'll also put the link to that below. It's vanilla flavor, and I mean, it's got all these amazing things. Not only is it plant-based, but also it's dairy-free, soy-free. It's got probiotics and enzymes which will help you digest everything in this smoothie even better, and help you manage weight for sure. It's gluten-free, it's organic, it's got 22 grams of protein per serving, and let me tell you, when you put this in your smoothies, you don't even taste that powdery flavor of protein powders that a lot of them have. And I finally found the one where it meets the consistency and the flavor and the texture that I want for my smoothie. So this is the one that I prefer. If you want to give it a try, by all means, I'll put the link below so you can check it out. For this recipe, you'll only need 1 full scoop of protein powder. The scoop comes inside the container, and because this is for 2 servings, I put a full scoop. Usually if it's just for me or 1 serving, I put half a scoop. All right, so now that we have all of these wonderful ingredients inside our high-speed Vitamix blender, we can turn it on and you'll start to see everything mix beautifully because it's plant-based and because a lot of these ingredients are pretty much already there for us to just cut up and put in or pour into our blender. It makes things so much easier. Now, if you make this in advance, say a couple hours before, I recommend to put it in a closed seal container, tightly sealed, so that it preserves it. I would actually recommend to consume immediately if you can, or within an hour, maximum 2, just so that you keep everything in there, all the nutrients in there, as fresh as possible. All right, there you have it. I hope you enjoy this recipe of an energy and weight loss healthy smoothie that you can make on the go and really quickly without a lot of mess and having to prepare and pre-prepare and put in the oven and the microwave. Ingredients are very easy and simple. I will post the links to all of the ones that I mentioned below, so check those out and let me know what you think. I want to ask you now, what is your favorite smoothie? Have you tried any other smoothies before? And what's the one that you say, oh, I always need to have this, or I always remember this one tasting the best? I would love to know. Put your comments below and let me know what your favorite smoothie is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with other people so that they also can make this easy, healthy recipe for energy and weight loss. If you're looking for weight gain instead of weight loss, then just add more protein and more oats. That way you can achieve the level of weight that you desire without having to feel guilty of eating things that are not healthy for you, because I know there's people out there who want to have both, either weight loss or weight gain, muscle mass, and that's fine. I like to consume a little bit of more protein and more oats, because if I do strength training, then I want to build muscle, and so I balance it that way. My goal is not weight loss, so I just drink it for maintenance and performance and lots of energy. If you want more healthy smoothie recipes, send us an email and we'll actually send you 3 more smoothie recipes. That's right. I want to give you more smoothies to consume, not just this one, but more to try in the morning, in the afternoon, or as a snack. I'll put the email below too, so that you can check out the other 3 recipes that I have ready for you. And with that, I'll sign off and leave you with the next video that I recommend. Have a great one.